guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to add animated and static overlays to your Twitch stream. This is very easy and simple to do. The program that we are using is called SLOBS. I minimized it by accident. This program is free of download. I'll have a link down in the description for you guys to click if you haven't already installed it. Obviously, once you have installed it, you want to open up the program to begin setting up an overlay. Once you have launched the program, in the top left hand corner, you want to click a tab called Themes. And here will bring you all of the static and animated overlays. Over here on the left is your filter. You can customize this to make it search for certain overlays. So like if you're looking for a certain color, and if you're only looking for animated, it will only search for purple animated overlays. Once you have found your overlay, you want to click on that overlay and click install, and it will begin installing the overlay into your editor. Once the overlay has been installed, it will automatically take you to your editor where you can begin editing the overlay to your liking. You have different scenes. Some will have intermissions, some won't. And to get that background out, all you gotta do is click on the actual picture and click delete, and then you can fill that in with your webcam and so on and so forth. You're also able to move these, like the chat box, webcam border, and stuff like that all around. So if they don't like the current position of them, you can just move them around like so in your editor. And that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I hope this video helped, and I'm going to see you guys Friday for the next Freebie Friday. That said, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and as always, stay classy.
The replay, it's funny how these things happen, never had a delay, cause everything I'm seeing comes to life and I don't see fake. I only see the real in you, probably why I fell in. I'm writing all these letters, you would think that I'm a felon. I'm going crazy.